Hello, everybody. I'm ready for bed, so I go get my hair done tomorrow. Excuse my. This is my lock dread sock. It has no hole on it, and I showed y'all this before for my ladies with natural hand locks, so your hair won't be rubbing out and rubbing all over the pillow and getting lint in it. But anywho, um, I'm almost there to my 4,000 watch hours. I believe I'm at a little over, I'm like at 2843 or something like that. So it's coming down to the end. I still ask y'all if y'all could run my playlist. If you can, why is this thing going out? If you can watch my videos all the way through, at least give me 6 to 8 minutes so I could, get my views and my watch hours could keep going up. I would greatly appreciate it. Give me that thumbs up, so my videos could keep getting into the analytics and getting into people's feeds. But we got the Christmas holidays coming up. I've been trying to show y'all some like gift ideas, but y'all not really feeling my jewelry videos. I'm not getting that much views on it. I bought y'all the video with the charms, the pendant. I don't know why my brightness keep going in and out, in and out. Let me see something. The pendant. This is sterling silver with 24 karat gold. This is 24 karat. And I showed y'all the, where it go. Right here, the little piggy. He's 24 karat. They're all from the same jewelry person. But I just did a video on this that dropped today. Well, I don't know when it's gonna drop, but it dropped Wednesday the 6th. I did a video on this link chain right here. This is 18 karat. This is 14 karat. All gold. Been trying to give y'all some gift ideas for your wife. I know every woman loves jewelry, and the pieces that I have aren't cheap, but they have a price point for everybody on there, and you can do value pays if you get approved for it. So don't just look and be like, oh my gosh, she talking about $1,800 bracelet or a $600 bracelet or $500 bracelet. This right here is so cute, and I believe they sold out of this because they've been doing specials. They're doing them all the month of November. And they had a one-time only. I guess they only had a few left. I got this for like $43. And this is 24 karat gold and sterling silver, not plated. They dropped the price of it. I can't remember to how much, like $40-something, $40, something like that. And to sell them out, and it's sold out. I do believe they still have the bracelet, and the charm, the pendant on the bracelet is smaller, much smaller than this one, but I think this is cute. Like a little layering piece. So they have like pendants on there that aren't that much, and it's a nice little, and they're gold. They have silver on there. So I've been trying to give y'all some like gift ideas, They don't have to be large pieces or expensive pieces like I have, but I'm giving y'all a place that you can go to find some really nice stuff, and they have all types of stuff. Rings, they have sterling silver, 14, 18, 24 karat gold, pendants, bracelets, chains, like little dainty chains, big chains. They have something for everybody. So That's all I'm trying to do for y'all. But I went and got this Popeye's chicken today. I'm not going to eat mine right now because I'm not hungry. My son had a basketball meeting. Yeah, basketball. They're in basketball season. Football just ended Friday. Basketball started Monday. But, so they had a meeting today. And so I was hungry because I hadn't eaten all day. And I didn't know how long that meeting was going to be. And I needed to eat something. So I went to McDonald's and I had a cheeseburger and some fries and got me a Sprite. But the line was long, and I know everybody was getting this when I went to the Popeyes by me, but nobody was acting foolish or anything like that. It was nice and civil. So this is it. And I just want to tell y'all, I do have a battle of the chicken sandwiches video where we had this before, about 3 weeks or so before the craze even hit. And I did a battle of the chicken sandwiches with Popeye, Chick-fil-A, Culver's, and Popeye, Chick-fil-A, Culver's, and Raising Cane's. And in the video, you may miss it because the screen shot is a picture of a big cookie. So y'all can go back and watch that. It was before all the Popeye's chicken craze began. We also just got a White Castles in here. They've been open for a couple of weeks, but probably about 2 weeks now. I have not been over there. I grew up eating White Castles in New York. But when they first opened, I was going to go. And I didn't because I wasn't out that way. I was supposed to get up and go get my car serviced, but I ended up being lazy and not going. And I'm kind of glad I did not go to get out there to that White Castles because they opened 24 hours, but they opened at 8:30. And I watched the 9 o'clock news. And on the news, they said people have been sitting out there all day for the inside and the drive-through for like anywhere from 4 to 6 hours, sitting there waiting just to get their order taken for the White Castles. And I'm like, I grew up eating that stuff. I'm not sitting out there 4 to 6 hours waiting for nothing unless it's some money. You handing out money, I sit there for 4 to 6 hours. But a mini slider, mm-mm. And they said for the whole week, it was pretty much bananas at the White Castles where the lines were stupid long. They even had to close for about 2 hours to like let the workers take breaks, go to the bathroom, restock. That's how crazy. So I'm kind of just letting the hype get over because I'm just not sitting out there online. Had I went out there and went all the way out there and had to wait online or couldn't get no food, I would have been so pissed off because I live over an hour for when the White Castles is. But people sat out there and wait. They sat in their cars and just waited 4 to 6 hours. They said people was ordering them like by the hundreds, like 500. And I'm saying to myself, what is you going to do with 500 White Castles? I know it's new to you, but they are open. They're here to stay. They're open 24 hours. You can go back. It makes no sense for you to sit there and order that many White Castle burgers. And they had to limit the burgers to like 60 because it was taking too long. I don't think they even thought that it was going to be that nuts. Really. So yeah, I ain't been to the White Castles yet, but they better be on point. I might go over there tomorrow because I'm going to get my hair washed and retwisted. So I might roll out there tomorrow. I have to see. Because it's still probably about another 20 minutes from where I get my hair done. So that's about it. My son's is pretty dead right now. No, next, not this weekend, but the next 2 weekends, I'll be going with my son on his official visits to Utah and U of A, which is here. So we're going to be doing that. We were supposed to go to Boise State, but they canceled on us because they didn't want to have that many recruits in one weekend. So I'm kind of free, and I'm trying to like start throwing some holiday open houses for my LuLaRoe because I need to get rid of this stuff and I want to make some extra money. Because y'all see where I've been having people shopping for the last couple of weeks, but y'all see where my money been going, right? Y'all see that? Where my money been going? So now I gotta get some extra money in my pocket. But if any of y'all is interested in LuLaRoe, hit me up. And I could on Instagram DM you some pictures and stuff that I have left in your size. I sell dresses, skirts, tops, like 3 to 4 different tops, and leggings and skirts, if I didn't say that, and dresses. So if you're interested, hit me up. Let me know in the comment box and leave me your Instagram name if you're on Instagram with your size that you wear, and we can go from there. I do mail out. I do PayPal. So let me know. Anyway, it's been almost 12 minutes. I can't get y'all to watch 6 minutes, let alone 12 minutes. So with that being said, I'm out. Peace. Enjoy the rest of your week, day, night, wherever you at.